Good morning. How are you, my dear students? Hope you all are fine and doing your own work with and full of interest and full of burning desire, because aim needs the burning desire, and I know that burning desires you all have. Okay, so go through that burning desire and complete your target of each day. See, students, up till now we were studying of up to 8th standard, and 8th standard means we have studied hard, but now we have to increase 5 times or 10 times, we can say, for 9th and 10th. We have to extra studies, and we have got ample of time to do this, to complete our targets. So we should have a big target, but for achieving the big targets we should have a daily targets. Means everyday plan should be there. When you will plan for every day and you will complete every day's plan, then one day that small installments of that small plans will take you to your higher aim, higher target, will help you to achieve that target. Okay, so hope you have understand each and everything. Now let's start, or let's continue exercise 6.2. We have finished that exercise 6.2 up to question number 3rd. Now looking towards question number 4th. See what question number 4 says. In the given figure, the figure is given like this. Something like that. Drawn the figure somewhat large, because we should understand each and everything. Here P, Q, R, S, T. This is given 130. This is 110 degree, and see what is again given to us. This is question number 4. We'll write what is given to us. Given is PQ parallel to ST. PQ parallel to ST, and angle PQR is equals to 110 degree. Angle RST is equals to 130 degree, and to find what we have to find here, we need to find angle QRS. Here, now we need to find angle QRS. This one we have to find. Now for finding this one, these two lines are given parallel to us. Okay, but in these two lines parallel, there is no transfer in between them. दोनों को ज्वाइन करने का ट्रांसफर एक में नहीं है. ये इधर जा रहा है, ये ट्रांसफर कर लिया तो ये इधर जाएगा. मतलब ऐसा जो ट्रांसवर्सल है, that is not meeting PQ, and QR transversal is there, that is not meeting ST. So there is no use of that parallel lines. So but we have to find out this angle, right? proof. What proof? We are starting with construct or draw a line. Which one? AB passing through what? Passing through R and parallel to what? It is parallel to PQ. Now what we get here, what is given to us? PQ is parallel to ST. PQ is parallel to ST. This is given to us, correct? Now this is given to us, PQ is parallel to ST. What with the construction, what we can write? But PQ is also parallel to with construction AB. PQ is also parallel to AB. ये कैसे आ रहा है? This is because of construction, correct? Now what we can write from 1 and 2? PQ is parallel to ST, PQ is parallel to AB. It means that ST and AB both are also parallel. Means we can write AB is also parallel to ST. This is from 1 and 2. Correct? Now let us start. Now see, we can take PQ parallel to AR and we can find out this angle. What is the relation between these two angles? These are co-interior angle, right? We know this one angle and we can find out this one angle. Relation between both of them is again co-interior angle. We know these two angles. What is the sum of 1, 2, 3? ये तीनों एंगल देखो एक अच्छे से. इन तीनों एंगल की सम कितनी होनी चाहिए? 180, because they forms a linear pair. उसमें के दो एंगल आपको पता है. Third angle easily you can find. Now let's go for that. Now what we have, that PQ parallel to AB, and which one is transversal? QR is transversal. Okay. Therefore, what we can write here? Here I will write. Therefore, equation number 4. We can write sum of these two angles is 180. Therefore, angle PQR plus angle ARQ is equals to 180 degree. You must know the reason of this. What is that reason? Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Correct? Now, तो क्या आएगा? PQR आपको पता है कितना है? 110 degree plus angle ARQ equals to 180 degree. Send 110 to that side, it will become a minus आने के बाद क्या आ जाएगा? Angle ARQ 180 minus 110 will be 70 degree. ये मिल गया आपको angle ARQ. This is how much? This is equals to 70 degree, right? We will give it equation number 6 because that will be helpful in linear pair. Now, from these two, these are also co-interior pair. So now we can write ST parallel to AB. ST इसको parallel है AB को, and which one is the transversal? And SR is transversal. Transversal. Okay. So what we can write? These two angles forms 180 degrees angle. Which are that two angles? Angle TSR plus angle which one? SRB. Angle SRB equals to 180 degree. Reason आपको लिखना है. What will be the reason? Same reason co-interior pairs. Then we may write here TSR is how much? TSR is 130 degree. So 130 degree plus angle SRB is equals to 180 degree. Correct? Same 130 to that side, it will become in minus. So 180 minus 130 will be angle SRB. That is how much? 50 degree. This is equation number 9. Okay. Now next, in next what we can write? We have SRB. SRB ये है अपने पास कितना? 50 degree. We have ARQ. This one ARQ. This one is how much? 70 degree. Correct? Now we have to find out this one. So this triangle forms a linear pair. So go for that. Angle. Which one? We can write QRA. The angle ARQ plus angle QRS plus angle SRB. Angle SRB is equals to 180 degree. You know the reason of this? Reason is linear pair. ठीक है. अब क्या आएगा? ARQ आपको पता है. ARQ is 70 degree. 70 degree plus QRS. We have to find angle QRS. So write as it is angle QRS plus angle SRB. SRB कितना निकाला? 50 degree. So sum of these all is 180 degree. So angle 70 plus 50 is 120. Means angle QRS plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. Right? Now angle QRS will be equals to 120 plus तो क्या तो माइनस हो जाएगा. Means 180 minus 120 will be 60 degree. So angle QRS is equals to 60 degree. Understand? So this is how we have completed this problem. See here, I have done here construction. I have drawn AB parallel to PQ. Okay. You do one thing also. You can do one thing also. I have told you that many other methods can also be there. आप इसको extend कर सकते हो अगर आपको extend करना है. इसको extend कर लो. ये parallel है ST को. ये extend किया वाला भी क्या रहेगा? Parallel. इसको extend करने के बाद में आपको ये मिल जाएगा. This one will be how much? This one will be 130 plus 50. ये 50 है तो ये भी कितना आ जाएगा? 50. Correct? Now by linear pair, what we can find this one? This one is how much then? 70 degree. 70 plus 50 is 120. And triangle लोग दे दो. यहाँ पे का नाम दे देना A या कुछ भी नाम दो. A यहाँ हो गया. Actually this construction will not be there then. Angle QCR. Angle QCR में triangle QCR में दो angle दिए 70 50. You need to find out the third one. Right? So angle sum properties you will get the sum of angle QRS. इन दोनों की सम 120 है तो थर्ड कितना रहेगा? 60 degree. Understand? This is how we can find out that angle in different types of methods also. Okay? That is which method you are going to choose. See, जैसा आपको ध्यान में आता है, you can use that method and you can apply to solve it. Just I have told you many times that method should be a legal method. Okay? Or you will say that one. Question number 5. It is A, B, C, D, P, Q, R. This is 127 degree. This one is X. This one is Y. This one is 50. What is given to us? See, if AB parallel to AB is given parallel to CD. Okay. If AB is parallel to CD and APQ is 50 degree, angle APQ is equals to 50 degree. Next, angle PRD, I think. Yes. Angle PRD equals to how much? 127 degree. Now, to find what we have to find, x comma y, x and y we have to find. So one important thing is given to us, that is AB is parallel to CD, correct? Now if AB is parallel to CD, now see the relationship, coordinate angle, alternate angle, corresponding angles, by that we can go. So what about the relation between, if AB is parallel to CD and PQ is transversal? So what we can say about these two? Yes, these two forms a alternate angles, correct? And as these two forms a alternate angle, if it is 50, it will also be the 50. So let's go for that first. क्या है, AB parallel to CD and which one is transversal? PQ is transversal. Okay. Now next, PQ is transversal. Therefore, angle कौन सा है? PQR. Angle PQR will be equals to angle APQ. Reason, alternate angles, and alternate angles are always equal. PQR is X, so X is equals to how much? APQ is equals to 50 degree. Correct. This is how we have find out angle, X and PQR. ये मिल गया अभी आपको, ठीक है? Now we can find out Y. How you go for finding out Y? These two forms a linear pair. या एक कर सकते हो आपको ये एंगल पता है, okay? What about that angle? These two forms a co-interior angle, correct? So go for that. Which one it is? अपन क्या लेंगे? AB parallel to CD. Now PR will be the transversal. So AB parallel to CD and PR is transversal. PR is transversal. अब वो ट्रांसवर्सल है तो ये दो एंगल की सम कितने आना चाहिए? 180 डिग्री. Therefore third, what we can write? Angle BPR plus angle PRD. Angle PRD equals to 180 degree. Reason, co-interior angles, and co-interior angles always comes 180 degree. So fourth one, therefore BPR, we don't know. Angle BPR plus PRD is 127 degree equals to 180 degree. Send 127 to that side. Therefore, angle this one PRD no BPR angle BPR will be equals to 127 उधर गया 180 minus 127 हो गया, so it is 180 degree minus 127 degree. It will be equals to angle BPR equals to 180 minus 127 is how much? I think so it will be 53 degree. Correct? ये हो गया BPR, that is equation number 6. Now these three forms a linear pair. Which three forms a linear pair? Angle APQ plus angle QPR plus angle BPR means angle BPR is equals to 180 degree. These are linear pair. ठीक है, ये तीनों देखो, ये एक, ये दो, ये तीन. These all three are forming a linear pair lies on the line AB. Now write down what are given to us. APQ कितना है 50 degree plus QPR we have to find, that is it is Y plus BPR कितना अभी हमने लिखा that is 53 degree equals to 180 degree. Add them, it will be Y plus 103 degree equals to 180 degree. Now send 103 to that side, so Y will be equals to 180 degree minus 103 degree. Therefore Y will be equals to how much? It will be 77. Yes, 70. You can check. It is 50. Okay. It is 77. So x is equal to how much? X we have find that is 50 degree and y we have find that is 77. इन तीनों की सम करके देख लो. 53, 50 plus 50 100, 100 plus 3 103, 103 plus 100 plus 70 is 170. और इस 3 और 7 कितना हो गया 10. That is the sum is coming how much? 180 degree. Okay, have you got it? So I think one question is left. That one question we will see in our next video. Okay, chalo, thank you.